In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your website using manage.wix.com and how to create a new site. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned webmaster, these steps will help you streamline your website management process. First off, let's head over to wix.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and go ahead and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard. This is the command center for all your Wix sites, and from here, you'll be able to navigate and manage everything you need. Within the dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is select the site you want to manage. Each of your sites will be listed here, making it easy for you to switch between them. Once you've clicked on the site you want to work with, you'll need to find Site Actions. This button is generally easy to spot, and it's your portal to performing site-related tasks. Next, you'll want to click on View Live Site. This action takes you directly to your website as it appears to the public. It's always a good idea to check how your changes look on the actual site and ensure everything is displayed as expected. While you're here, take note of the URL in your browser's address bar. You can copy this web address, enabling you to share your website with others via email, social media, or messaging apps. Just paste the link wherever you need to share it for easy access by your audience. Now, what if you haven't published your website yet? No worries, if your site isn't live, visitors won't be able to see it until you publish. To get your site out in the world, you'll need to open it in the Wix editor. This powerful tool allows you to make changes and perfect your site before it goes live. Once everything looks good, the next step is crucial. In the Wix editor, you'll find the Publish button. Clicking this will make your site accessible to the wider public. Publishing can feel like a big step, but it's a necessary one if you're looking to increase your site's visibility and attract visitors. Once published, you're given a live site link. This is your digital calling card, so to speak. So make sure to copy it and share it widely with your network. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on managing your Wix site and making it live to the world. Following these steps ensures that your website is not only well managed but also accessible to everyone you wish to reach. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more tips and tricks for effective website management.